Two powerful project management tools, but only one can be your team's perfect fit. Which one deserves a place in your workflow? On the left, the flexible, collaborative nTask, and on the right, the feature-rich, strategic aha.io. We're pitting them against each other across real-world essentials: task management, integrations, pricing, usability, customization, support, and more. Forget the marketing jargon. Let's see how they actually perform where it matters. Points for each category, and when we tally them up, you'll know exactly which tool comes out on top. The winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, quick overview. Here's what we're looking at: pricing, features, usability, who each tool is best for, and integrations. That's pretty much the full spread, right? Let's jump in. Let's kick things off where everyone cares most: pricing. So nTask, it's super budget friendly, with plans starting at like $3 per user a month. They even have a free plan, but you do lose some features there. Aha.io, on the other hand, is, whoa, $60 per user each month and, no free plan, just a trial. Yeah, premium price, but loaded with features. Still, I mean, for most people, nTask clearly wins the price war. Now on to features. If you just need project management and to-dos, nTask gets it done. Straightforward. You've got projects, tasks, timesheets, even risk management. But, okay, aha.io. It's a beast for product teams. We're talking roadmaps, ideas portals, strategy tools, advanced reporting, and integrations with some heavy hitters like Jira and DevOps. Setup might take longer, but functionality here is next level. No surprise, aha.io totally takes the cake for features. Usability time. nTask honestly feels refreshingly simple. The interface isn't trying to fry your brain, and setting up takes almost no effort, but yeah, don't expect much crazy customization. Aha.io flips that. It's big on custom workflows and flexibility, but man, if you're just starting out, all those options might hit like a tsunami. If you like things clear-cut, nTask definitely gives you that smooth entry. Oh, and here's something cool I just learned. Aha was actually created because the founder was totally over dealing with messy spreadsheets for product management. Pretty relatable, right? Best for? Well, nTask is tailor-made for small teams or anyone who just wants to get stuff done together. Think students, consultants, startups. But if you're wrangling enterprise product releases, gathering user feedback at scale, or planning strategy, aha.io's got tools that are basically built for you. That said, it's probably overkill if you just need something basic. Quick look at integrations. nTask handles essentials like Slack, Zoom, and Google Calendar, so you're covered for the basics, but that's about it. Aha.io though, wow, they connect with everything. Jira, Salesforce, even DevOps. The flip side, setting those up isn't always plug and play. More power, a little more hassle. If you want a bird's eye view, here's how the scores shake out visually. You can see right away who pulls ahead and what, pretty revealing. So honestly, here's my take. If you're on a tight budget and just want to manage tasks or simple projects, nTask makes a ton of sense. But if you're going big and need heavyweight road mapping, strategy, or you're part of a larger product team, aha.io is really built for that. Between the two, aha.io edges out nTask if you need those big features and integrations. Just be ready for the price tag. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. Hit subscribe for more totally honest SaaS battles like this one.